How to hide chat on Twitch app. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can hide chat on Twitch application. To do so, first of all, you will need to open your Twitch application on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. On this home page, you navigate to the stream you would like to watch. Tap on the stream to open it, and once you open it, here tap on this rotate icon and this will view the stream in landscape mode. Here now, to hide the chat, you will need to tap on the screen and then here you'll be able to see the chat icon. Simply tap on this chat icon and then the chat will be hidden. So by following these steps, you should be able to hide chat on Twitch application. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.